Twin flames are a symbol of gratitude, along with the letter V, a great letter of the alphabet. It's a great pleasure to see you all today. If you haven't noticed, I've got some wonderful chocolates. Oops. This is an awesome card because I think it has like a magnet. Look, see? It just like snaps. Hold on, look. And that's why this amazing box is keeping it open. All right, now y'all are beautiful. Stand still. And sorry, it's my amazing card I got today. This is mine, and this will be breakfast in just a little bit. Thank you to my wonderful makeup artist who I'd like to show appreciation to in this video. Most likely they are at work, which is why they get to be in the video. And an amazing thank you to the wonderful creators of this t-shirt. And hopefully I'll have something to go in this soon. I like the color silver also, if you would like to call that a color. It's not really, but let's change the scenery, shall we? And hit the switch because I like to conserve energy. I'm a beautiful being and a goddess of love and light. Cheese! And my card fell again. 3 golden roses at the bottom. Oh, y'all gotta see my hearts on the inside. Hold on. I gotta get it open. You know, I like my videos to be quick. Appreciate yourself by loving yourself, by being kind to others. Do what's perfect and righteous, even if you are left-handed. And don't let other people tell you what to do unless they're your boss. And keep something gold around at all times. Just cause it's pretty or handsome. And admire flowers. Take time to water them. And you'll watch them grow. Just like your relationships.